Sparrow. Small social birds known for their brown or grey plumage and distinctive chirping. Eagle. Large birds of prey with powerful beaks and talons, known for their keen eyesight. Penguin. Flightless birds with a distinctive waddling gait, adapted to life in the water. Hummingbird. Tiny, colourful birds capable of hovering in mid-air and known for their rapid wing beats. Ostrich. Largest and heaviest living bird, known for its long legs and inability to fly. Peacock. Colourful birds with striking iridescent plumage, known for their elaborate courtship displays. Woodpecker. Birds with strong beaks for drilling into tree bark, producing a distinct tapping sound. Albatross. Large seabirds with long wingspans, known for their ability to cover vast distances during flight. Flamingo. Tall, wading birds with distinctive pink plumage and long, thin legs. Crow. Intelligent birds, often associated with black plumage, known for their adaptability and problem-solving abilities.